T-Series, India's most popular YouTube channel, has crossed 200 million subscribers. This is a world record by itself. Joining me is the Managing Director and Chairman of T-Series, Mr. Bhushan Kumar. Sir, congratulations firstly.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you to our audience, to our listeners, to our viewers. Thank you very, very much.
Right. Bhushan ji, क्या किसको क्रेडिट देंगे? You know, this is a huge success. The world के सारे YouTube channel, if they are following and want to learn, what has it taken to reach this point of 200 million subscribers?
See, mainly is the reason is the good content actually.
Right.
Because see, we from the beginning, we concentrate too much on the content,
right,
which people will consume. Like I've always maintained, I have got inherent quality from my father, which is selecting great music which people love, not for me personally. Like I can have a personal taste of a particular song, but for what people will consume most, that means that is very hard to judge. Because there are multiple people, there are multiple audience who listens to music, who view the visual of the music or of the audio also. So it is, I would say it is the blessing from my father, which I have got inherent in me. I can judge a song which will be consumed by the audiences. So mostly whenever we make a song and we decide that this will be the melody, this will be the lyrics, this will be the singer, we are mostly bang on selecting that song for our audience. And that is the reason content is the king, means content is king. We have always said that. So content makes selecting a great content means everything to do with this success. And obviously my entire team who has worked hard to place it on YouTube, to market it to that level.
Right.
So that was very, very important thing. I can't do anything alone. It is all teamwork, which we have been doing from so many years. And I still remember 2 years back around 2 years back, I guess, when we touched first 100 million subscribers on YouTube, and we became number one in the world. So we are still maintaining that number one channel in the world in terms of views and subscription. But achieving this 200 million landmark is a great, great achievement for all of us, for our country, because we are Indian, we are an Indian company, and we have achieved such a big landmark which nobody else have reached, and it is in the world. So means no other country in the world has this channel which is so big.
Right, it's a huge achievement, Bhushanji. What does it take for someone like you and your company? हर हफ्ते कोई गाना आ रहा है, हर हफ्ते कोई फिल्म आ रही है. There's clearly no rest happening, a lot of work. What does it take to keep going with this amazing drive that you all have?
See, complete hard work. And as I just said, selecting good stuff in terms of movies and songs, and which we are rightly doing it. Right. And that's the reason we are getting this kind of result. Means people are subscribing to our channel, people are viewing our channel, and means it's just the hard work and getting the thing right. And again, means my association with so many talented directors and producers who are working with us, and we are making multiple films with me, like Love Ranjan, Mr. Anurag Basu, Nikhil Advani, and Om Rawat, Sandeep Bangareddy, means all the premium Anubhav Sinha, all the premium directors we are working with, and Mr. Alanal Rai, means we are doing we are having a release now in December only, Atrangi Re.
Yes.
So all these people I'm very happy and proud to have association with these people.
Right.
They are most talented, directors of our country and in Bollywood. And we are doing multiple films. They are producing films with us. They are directing films with us. So it's great experience, and it's great thing which people will definitely love. And this kind of content which we are giving, it results into all these achievements which we have got today.
Right. Bhushan ji, there was a brief and you all wanted to be in the #1 YouTube और ये हो गया साइट पे, आप फिल्में और गाने बनाते गए, ये साइट पे चलता गया.
Yeah, actually to be very frank, ऐसा कोई सोच नहीं थी, टारगेट नहीं था कि हमें #1 बनना है या हमें #1 म्यूजिक चैनल बनना है या म्यूजिक कंपनी बनना है. हम मेहनत करते गए and we got this result.
Right.
Same thing today when people tell me that you are doing 30 films, 40 films, you are the biggest studio. So again, we are not targeting that we are, or we don't acknowledge that we acknowledge that means we don't say from our mouth that we have become the #1 or something.
Right.
Like that. Because we want to, our work will show the kind of films we are doing. Maximum number of films.
Right.
Compare in the industry. That is not a hidden fact or anything. It is open for everyone.
Right.
So now the target is that only to make great films also, like we have done in music. We will soon do in films also. We have achieved to an extent.
Right.
But yeah, that's it.
Right. Bhushan ji, what does a YouTube channel add to a company? Is it also a source of revenue?
Absolutely. It's a big source of revenue, and it's big, more than revenue. It is a big source of your branding,
right?
Perception in the market. Because as we know, YouTube is the biggest platform in terms of videos and music and everything. So it is great thing for us in terms of perception also.
Okay. Bhushan ji, last 2 years were difficult. How do you look back? Do you think now people with Sooryavanshi and all other films coming, your films are also ready? Do you think people are ready to come back to the cinemas?
Yeah, absolutely. Means obviously with proper precautions. Yes. People should come to cinemas, and they are coming also, and they are watching movies in theaters, and we are very excited with the success of Sooryavanshi. So after that we have also lined up so many films which are coming into theaters.
Right.
So we are just keeping our fingers crossed. Means we should get good results, and people should come to theaters with proper safety measures and watch our film, which we have, which always director and producer makes the film with so much of hard work.
Right.
They want that it should come in theater, and ताकि जाके आप तालियां वगैरह जो बजती हैं वो आप घर पे OTT पे रिलीज करते हो, वो महसूस नहीं कर सकते हो. Though means I am making movies for OTT also. Our Atarangre is coming on OTT.
Okay.
So but थिएटर का एक जो चार्म है कुछ फिल्मों को लेके और लोगों की एक भावना को लेके, लाइक डायरेक्टर्स की स्पेशली,
right.
वो उनका एक पैशन होता है कि जब when they go to the theaters and they watch it from behind, कि people are clapping and laughing. So that kind of experience, one cannot experience. I mean, director cannot experience and watch for in when the film is released on OTT.
Right.
So very excited about theater releases of films, and let's hope means films should start working, and more films will come to theater first and then OTT, like it always used to happen.
Right. So Chandigarh Kare Aashiqui will be your next release, sir?
Yeah, Chandigarh Kare Aashiqui coming on 10 December.
Okay.
That will be our next release, and we are all geared up for that. It's a beautiful film. It has message, it has humor, it has everything in right place. So everybody has done a great job. Vani and Ayushmann, director Abhishek. Everybody has done a great job. So we are hoping that will give good boost to the Indian cinema, and people will come more and more to theater and watch that film.
Right. Bhushan ji, at a time like this, we had 2 grim years. Now there's good news. The theaters have opened. Your YouTube channel is #1 in the world. What more is lined up for the coming year? You can tell us.
See, we have many films which we are doing. Means many films actually. The major ones are Adipurush, with Prabhas and Saif and Preeti Sanon. It's with Om Rawat. The other one is Ranbir Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor, Love Ranjan's film.
Right.
That is under shooting. And then we will be starting Animal with Sandeep Banga Reddy and Anil Kapoor and Ranbir Kapoor again in that. Then we have already started Shehzada, which is Kartik Aaryan and Kriti Sanon. And then we are starting another with Ayushmann Khurrana.
Okay.
In January, that is called Action Hero. Okay. With our Mr. Anandal Rai. He's my joint producer in that.
Okay.
And like that, many movies are there which we are bankrolling. And even Bheed, Anubhav Sinha's film, that is with Rajkumar Rao. We are shooting that also. Then Vikram Veda is also there. It's a big film with Hrithik Roshan and Saif Ali Khan.
Right.
which we are shooting right now in Lucknow.
Right.
So the slate is very big. Means we are targeting for big 2022 and 2023 with the maximum number of film which has great content and great star cast and actors. So that's our target, and obviously music will follow for sure because that is our first love.
Right.
We will never forget the music which has brought us here today.
Right. So from the films that you name, no wonder you all are the #1 YouTube channel. Bhushan ji, congratulations to you and your entire team.
Thank you very much. Thank you.